In this video, you'll learn how to make multiple listings on eBay efficiently. By following these steps, you will be able to manage your inventory and increase your visibility as a seller. Start by logging into your eBay account. Once logged in, navigate to the selling section, which is typically found in the main menu. This area is referred to as the seller dashboard, where you can manage your inventory and create new product listings. Look for the option labeled Create Listing or Sell an Item. This section provides the necessary tools for listing either individual or multiple products. Familiarizing yourself with the seller interface will streamline your listing process. It is beneficial to prepare your product details in advance to expedite the creation of your listings. Next, you will create a listing for each item you intend to sell. Begin by entering the product title, category description, and price for the first item. It is important to upload high-quality images that clearly showcase the product's condition and features. If you have several similar items, consider duplicating an existing listing to save time. This feature allows you to quickly create new listings by adjusting the title, price, or any other necessary details for each item. This approach can significantly speed up the process of listing multiple products. Providing accurate and detailed information is crucial as it helps buyers understand exactly what they are purchasing. After preparing your multiple listings, you should review each one carefully before publishing. This step is essential to ensure that all the product descriptions, prices, and shipping options are accurate. Take your time to verify that everything is correct. Once you are satisfied with the information provided, locate and click the List Item button to publish your listings. After this action, your listings will appear in eBay's search results, increasing your store's visibility to potential buyers. Having multiple listings not only enhances your store's visibility, but also increases the chances of making sales. It is important to keep in mind that the number of listings you can create may be influenced by your account limit, so check your eBay seller account for any restrictions. Additionally, consider the size of the images you are uploading. Larger files may take longer to upload, depending on your internet speed. Always verify that you have sufficient storage space available for your images and listings. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.